Paige Thompson, Rusty Cow Bass Grow Technical Agronomist, doing a little look at harvest time frame with short corn. Tops are out, but things are standing strong in the row. You can see have some differences in planting population, 37,000 versus 41,000 population out in this field.
I would say that the head, I don't have the head down any further than I had in the other corn.
That's what I was going to ask you.
Yeah, I haven't changed it yet.
The Smart Corn System trials that I have out, the ear height measurement and the plant height measurement has been checking out very nicely. A common question that I get right now is in regards to that stalk strength of short corn. That strong rind that it has is apparent. And I can tell you with local observations, the equipment is getting through the field nicely. Locally, those that were able to have the opportunity to have short corn have shared that it met or exceeded expectations. Thank you and be safe.